The Hingham Historical Society house tour is one of the oldest house tours in the country, and of course it focuses on historical properties. It's on a Sunday and it lasts from 11 to 5 p.m. and it features 6 to 8 houses every year. It draws people from all over the Commonwealth. It's an extraordinary day in Hingham, and as a result, the Historic House Tour is one of the Society's biggest fundraisers.
So this year's house tour focuses on the art of industry, which refers to both the handwork of trade skills, but also the rise of industrial manufacturing in the Hingham area. The house tour is a very special day in Hingham. It's a great opportunity to reach out to your friends and your family and all gather together and tour these homes that you have driven past for years. You've maybe admired them from the outside but never actually seen behind the doors. I love to see how people have decorated their homes. And again, these homes really run from something that may be decorated in period-sensitive furniture to something that is decorated to today's modern taste. So you see a little bit of everything. The benefit of the house tour for Hingham residents is really just to learn about your community. We sit in the middle of so much history, so it's an opportunity to learn about the houses around you and also the just general history of our town. You learn a lot, you see a lot, you come home, you have house envy for a little while, but in a good way. It's a great time.